call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a wife and first-time mom to a beautiful baby girl, and today we're going to be doing some organization. You guys know I'm on my spring cleaning / organization kick, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today with some new drawer organizers that a company called Lifewit sent to me and were kind enough to allow me to try it in my spring cleaning. So this is sponsored by Lifewit. Lifewit is a company that sells all sorts of neat homeware stuff from Amazon, and this 25-piece drawer organizer is one of them. It's only $26.99 for 25 pieces, and I love them, you guys. I'm going to be using them throughout the video in my 2 bathrooms. And I'm just showing you here that it's a bunch of different little sizes that you can kind of customize to the width or length of your drawer, because it's kind of like a puzzle piece, so it's so convenient. But yeah guys, we're gonna be starting off in my guest bathroom where I keep all of my stuff. So as you can see right now, it is a wreck because I was never used to this type of vanity. It's just like a one deep drawer. So anyways, I stuffed all my stuff in here. I typically take a shower in the top floor, but this bathroom, I do use it to get ready. So I keep like my hair appliances whenever I'm getting ready, my makeup, stuff like that. So I'm just going to be completely organizing this vanity. So again, this one is going to be all about things that I use to get ready, not on everyday basis. Upstairs, we're going to keep like the medicine stuff, the things that I use on an everyday basis after I shower and stuff like that. But this is just going to be where I get ready. I get ready in this bathroom because it's way bigger than the first floor one. So I just don't like when I'm going out, I don't like getting ready in like a cluttered tight space. So that is what we're going to do with this one. We're going to put all the stuff that I don't use every day, but this is what I use when I'm trying to glam myself up. So we're going to do some decluttering, which I've already done here, and then we're going to clean the drawer and organize a bit. I also have an easy busy mom meal for you guys. You guys know I've been trying to share a lot of meals and recipes that I use when I just don't have a lot of time on my hands. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys an easy air fry chicken legs, kind of sweet and spicy, as well as some easy fried rice. Here I'm just starting with putting a basket that I already had, and I'm just going to put all my appliances in there along with my hairspray and my brush. That's what I use when I'm straightening my hair, curling my hair, whatever I'm doing to my hair. And then the rest of the drawer I'm going to organize with the Lifewit drawer organizers, and I'm just gonna put like my headbands in here, my combs, stuff that I use when I'm doing my hair, my makeup, and all that good stuff. Again, I told you guys this in my last organizational video where I organized the kitchen drawers with some Target dollar spot ones, and I always say this, it does not have to be Pinterest worthy. It just has to not stress you out when you open whatever space you're trying to organize. I feel like here on YouTube we get a little carried away with trying to be Pinterest worthy, and I get it for some things. Like when I do my pantry makeover, I totally, because my dream pantry, I have a vision in my head. But as for regular organization that's just tucked away, it's just like, it just needs to be organized and functional. That is what I am going for here. And it's just, guys, like I was busy this day. My daughter had just came off of being sick. She had a fever for like a week, so this is like real mom life here. I'm gonna be cooking, cleaning, organizing in a pair of shorts and a big t-shirt. It was just one of those days, and that's my goal, is just to share with you guys real life moments. We're not always with makeup and nice clothes or a nice jogger set on. Sometimes we're just in a big huge tee with some shorts, getting some things done around the house while we can.
You feel so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. the others. They do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Okay, you guys, so we just finished in this drawer. I have my little helper here. I was able to declutter a lot of stuff. But over here, basically, like I probably mentioned, this is where I get ready at because the bathroom is bigger. So if we're going out, this is what I get ready at. Upstairs, I shower and I keep my everyday stuff. But here, I just have like my combs, my hair cutting things, the little pins that I use. Just ignore that. But I keep, yeah, like my hair stuff, and then all my hair appliances, my hairspray, my hairbrush. So this is what I use to get ready. Then I just have like extra stuff like toothpaste, my stretch mark creams, my perfume, because again, going out. I have my extra razor things here. I have my razor upstairs, but I keep the extra here. And then over here I have my makeup brushes, all my everyday makeup. Well, not everyday, but like, you know, you have makeup that you don't use like on a consistent basis, and then the ones that you like always use just for your like regular look. So that's that. I have my makeup remover wipes here. These are all my like bandanas, headbands and stuff. And then in here I just have like all my nail stuff, so my nail clipper, nail polish, nail files, and I just chose to keep it in this little bag just because I don't need it out here because it's not something that I use every day. But here I just have my garbage bags, and then my little essential oil that I use, and then some like everyday stuff just in case I do take a shower over here, my deodorant and my cream. But the only thing that I have left, and I'll show you guys, to put upstairs is I had my husband's perfume up there. He gets ready up there, so I'll have his stuff there. These are my cream that I use every day. It's like my acne cream. So I'm gonna put that upstairs because again, I take a shower mostly up there. Unless me and my husband are taking a shower at the same time. These are some sanitary stuff that I'm gonna keep up there because again, I shower up there. My nursing pads and my little shower headband thing. And these are the rest of the things that I have. So upstairs we have in our bathroom where we keep my husband's stuff and like all the medicine stuff and then my everyday stuff. So we're gonna head up there and then see what we can do up there. Before we headed upstairs, I just wanted to go ahead and marinate my sweet and spicy chicken legs. These are super easy. You just air fry these for about 30 to 35 minutes and they are delicious. It's super easy to marinate. All you do is put the oil in and then all the spices. I do want to say if you are cooking for children, you might want to take out the cayenne pepper because that is what makes it spicy, and then you'll just have more of the sweetness from the brown sugar. But anyways, you let this marinate for an hour and then you pop it in the air fryer, and it is super easy and delicious. Perfect to do when you don't have any time on your hands. But now we're heading into the second floor bathroom, and this is where we have everything. Guys, we just moved into this house if you're new, and really we just unpacked and threw everything in. I still had things in bags like that Target bag. Just haven't had the chance to get organized. We've been here for about 6 months, and you know that mom life can get crazy along with working and all that good stuff. So anyways, now we're getting organized during this spring season. So again, over here we're gonna keep all the everyday stuff that we use, the stuff that I use after the shower, stuff that my husband uses after the shower, and as well as medicine, things for our teeth, and also my cleaning stuff. I always keep the stuff for the bathroom upstairs. Like downstairs, if I'm cleaning the downstairs bathroom, the kitchen is right there, so I'll just grab the stuff from there. But for when I'm cleaning the upstairs bathroom, I don't like to go downstairs to grab everything, so I just kept the cleaning stuff for the bathroom there on the side.
False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't no fun recognizing your mistakes. Got me like ooh. from the first time I saw ya. You were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
Alright, you guys, so we just finished the downstairs vanity. This side I just kept it with whatever I cleaned the bathroom with, and the specific rag and sponge that I use to clean the bathroom. And then I have extra towels there, hand towels, and then the dish soap, what am I saying, the hand soap refill. On this side I wanted to do things that were everyday use, so the little flossing things, what are these called, cotton swabs. This is the acne cream that I use and all my refills for it. This is our deodorants and our face moisturizers, and this is like my little shower headband thing. Then down here I have incontinence, so you know, and my nursing pads and the other ones. And then here we have my husband's perfumes. He don't use this every day because these are like his expensive ones, like Versace and Guess. But anyways, he gets ready on this floor, and typically in this bathroom if I'm in the room with the baby. So, and then he uses Vaseline on his face. I don't know why, don't ask me why. But then this is like his tooth care stuff. That's mine back there, my whitening stuff. These are just pain medications. I had these from my birth actually, but I just kept all of them. And then back there are like extra medications that I was prescribed, like ibuprofen and stuff like that, and I keep them just in case. Then we have our NyQuil, DayQuil, Pepto-Bismol back there, all that, and then refills for our mouthwash. And that's it. I pretty much only have this left, and I didn't want to show you that, but I only have these small ones left. I'm gonna keep them in there just in case we get anything else that needs to be organized. And I'll just show you guys. This has the little flap too on the top, and all we keep here is mouthwash, our toothbrushes, and our toothpaste, just like the downstairs bathroom. So yeah, so much better than before, y'all. So now we're gonna go downstairs and finish cooking that easy dinner. Alright, so now I'm just putting the chicken legs in the air fryer. Again, you put them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit on the air fry setting, or if you have a hair fryer, just do it. I think I said hair fryer just now. If you have an air fryer, just put it on 400 degrees and then do it for 30 to 35 minutes, I would say, until it's fully cooked. But now I'm gonna do the easy fried rice. I had some white rice left over from previous dinners, so all I did was dice up an onion, and that's really the only legwork I did. And then I put some frozen mixed vegetables in. I put in the rice, mixed it all together, and then I put in that Lori's teriyaki pineapple sauce that I love, and I've been telling you guys about this for a while. It is so delicious and so easy. And then we have fried rice with air fried chicken legs, and it was so yummy. I'm gonna show you guys how it all looks at the end. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys got some motivation and you got some easy meal ideas as well that you can fit into your busy life if that is the case. But thank you guys for watching. If you watched until now, make sure if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, because it helps the algorithm pick up my videos more, and subscribe if you're not already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like like someone pretty neat a different side of me, yeah.